Welcome to the video tutorial on report generation for Admin and DFO. To generate a permit report, navigate to the Report section from the left-hand menu. Select the Permit Report option and enter the desired start date and end date to generate the corresponding report. Admin users can view permit details for all checkposts across the state of Sikkim. DFO users are authorized to view permit details specific to their designated district. You can further refine the report by selecting a specific checkpost from the drop-down menu. The report also displays the payment type, whether the payment was made online or as cash collected at the checkpost. To download the report, simply click on Export to Excel. This feature helps you track permit movements, monitor permit counts, identify anomalies, and obtain detailed insights into exact revenue collection. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the report generation.